Alright guys, so here's how to change file type on Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the search bar and simply search for File Explorer. There you go. Then simply open this up. And then from here, you need to go with the view. And then again, simply go and untick the hide extension for known types file on. So you need to tap on this and untick it like that. After that, you need to simply place on apply and simply go with OK. Now as you can see, this is one of my text document files. So if you just press right click on your mouse and simply go with the more options, and then from here you will see the rename option. So after the name, you can see there is .txt file. So we can simply remove that one and simply place it like bat and hit enter and simply go with yes. So now as you can see guys, we have successfully changed the file type of a file in Windows 11. So that's how you can change the file extension. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.